Hi students, my name is Pratyaksh Rastogi. Okay, so actually I'm here to discuss, I'm preparing this video for you all. I've been getting so many queries from the students, like, sir, we are struggling, with this kind of preparation. We are not well prepared with our NEET exam. And, even some students do have complaints like we have not started our preparation for NEET. So what should we do? So just I can understand that like some students cannot manage the time, some students have other problems. So considering all those points, what I try to do is I try to give you some tips and tricks, so that you can apply those tips into your study life, and then you can easily crack the NEET exam. At least you can be well prepared for your exam. Okay, so beginning with, I want to share some tips of mine, which you can all apply. But first of all, guys, you all need to understand that this is the actual time you have to start preparing for your NEET exam, because you all must agree that NEET exam can happen in the month of May or at last June, right? So you only have 2 or 3 months to prepare for your exam, right? So in order to do that, guys, at least you have to start preparing. Even like I hope that many students even would have completed at least 85 to 90% of the syllabus. So it's very much needed. It's a crucial time that right now if you will start. Otherwise, if you will just delay the things further, then that's why I have chosen this topic called It's Now or Never. Either you start studying right now, or even the students will not be able to prepare for their NEET exam, right? Because you only have 2 or 3 months and you have to cover the whole syllabus. Yes, it is very much possible, but you have to give your level best. You have to do hard as well as smart work, right? So beginning with my first tip, what I had prepared is select chapters with more weightage. So guys, you would all agree that yes, in NEET exam it is not possible that every chapter you will get equal amount of questions. No, there'll be different different number of questions from every chapter. Even I have seen that some chapters are like there are no questions present in your NEET exam, but in some chapters, for example, if I name, so in human physiology there is it's a whole unit, and you get at least like 15 to 20 questions from that all only, right? So you can score, if you would prepare that human physiology part very well, you will better be able to score 60 to 70 marks very easily into your NEET exam out of the 360 marks, right? So it really holds a good impact on your final score, right? So what you have to do, guys, just start selecting those chapters like human physiology, if I name it, genetics and evolution. You can also take ecosystem, you can take human reproduction. These all are very essential and very important chapters for you all to cover, because they carry more weightage. So select chapters, and prepare accordingly. Then what we have is solve previous year questions. So guys, you need to start solving the question papers, because question papers give you an idea what kind of question can come into your exam. Even many a times the examiner has also a mindset that they will give you the same kind of question. Okay, you can also see the repeated the repeated question every time. You can also you are better able to relate that question, that yes, there is a same concept, there is a same formula that applies over here as well, when I'm talking about all the three subjects, physics, chemistry and biology, right? So with the same concept, with the same formula, you'll be able to solve the question within no time. Okay, so start solving the questions. At least take 5 to 10 years older question papers, and then start solving them. First of all, it will help you to increase your speed, and second, it will give you an idea like what sort of questions you have to be more focused in. Whereas the third tip which I would like to give is practice the pattern. See guys, pattern practicing is very important, because since last 2 years pattern is keeping on changing, right? So you have to practice it, otherwise you will get confused like how many questions are present, how many questions you have to do. Okay, because see, the number of questions will be more, but you will have to attend the less number of questions. Okay, it will be feasible for you. But in order to do so, you must understand what kind of pattern you are going to get in physics, chemistry, and biology. So how can you do this? Just first of all, Google like what kind of pattern is going to come this year, and then start practicing in that pattern. Just join some test series, and then evaluate yourself so that you will be familiar more with the pattern, and it will again help to increase your speed in your examination, right? Apart from that, guys, time, please manage your time, because at, like some students, they grasp a topic with 6 hours, in 6 hours or 7 hours. They need even more than that. But there are students on the other hand which can, capture everything within 2 or 3 hours. So according to your mindset, according to your understanding, you have to manage your times as well, okay? And yes, I can, I also have heard from many students like, we only have this much of time, we have to attend our school, we have to attend our, different kind of things. But still, guys, you need to understand that you have to manage time somehow. Just take help from the mentors, and they will help you to prepare your schedule also, okay? Prepare a schedule for yourself. Then the last thing, which, which is very important, which is how to prevent procrastination. Procrastination is something when you are keeping on delaying the things, right? Like you plan that I will complete this chapter, but at the end of the day you end up like, I'll complete this chapter later on. So how can you prevent that? What you have to do, guys, just study in bouts, okay? Basically manage your 1 hour, like 15 minutes you will study a one topic, then you will take a short break. Either you will roam around, you will drink a glass of water, you will watch television, anything, you will watch a comedy video, whatever interest you have, just do that. And then again come back to work, come back to study, because that will keep you interesting and that will keep you motivated in order to complete the topic. So guys, I hope that these some tips which I had shared with you, because I also applied these tips when I was preparing for NEET exam when I was a student, right? So just do that and give me a valuable feedback. Were you able to manage your time? And yes, I hope that, I wish you the best of luck, and I hope that you will crack your NEET exam with brilliant marks. Thank you so much.